One of the biggest reasons research feels overwhelming is not the amount of work, but the lack of a clear plan. Many students move straight from choosing a topic to writing, but without a plan, research quickly becomes disorganised and stressful. So in this video, we are going to look at how to plan your research before you start writing. The first step is to return to your research question. Your question should guide your entire plan. Ask yourself, what exactly am I trying to find out? A clear question makes planning much easier. The second step is to identify the key areas you need to explore. Break your question into smaller parts. For example, if your research question is about how social media affects students, you might explore types of social media, how often students use it, its effects on concentration, and its impact on study habits. Breaking your research into sections gives your work structure. The third step is to decide what sources you will need. Think about where you will find reliable information. Will you use books, academic articles, trusted websites? Planning your sources in advance saves time later. The fourth step is to organise your findings. As you gather information, group similar ideas together. This helps you avoid repetition and makes your writing clearer. You are not just collecting information, you are organising it. The fifth step is to create a simple outline. Your outline is a basic structure of what your research will look like. For example, introduction, main point 1, main point 2, main point 3, conclusion. This does not need to be complicated. It simply gives your writing direction. Planning does not take a long time, but it makes a significant difference. It reduces confusion, it improves clarity, and it makes the writing process much easier. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, you begin to see your research as a series of manageable steps, and that shift changes everything. If you would like a structured planning sheet that helps you organise your research step by step, my Research Starter Toolkit is available in the About section of this channel. It includes a printable research planning page and a completed example to guide you. On this channel, we will continue breaking research into simple and practical steps. If that would help you, consider subscribing. Because when you plan your research properly, the entire process becomes clearer, more organised, and far less stressful.